Hey guys, welcome back to this really quick update video, and this time it's a good news. Crop tops are finally here, but you still didn't get the official notification on dashboard. If you wanna check, go to your listing and you will find out you got the access or not. Tell me in the comment if you get the access. So here I am on my listing, and as you can see I get the access of the crop top and it have the 9 color. If we can check, there is the black and white, the normal colors, and there is heather, beige, pepper, rose, seem like a light pink color, sky blue, and ivory. Ivory color sells more for the women and even on Etsy. So I think these are really some good choice of the color for the crop tops. If we talk about the prices, it have a 21.99 and that will give you a $3.33 in royalties. So base price will be like $18.99 or something. I think it's little expensive than normal t-shirt or v-neck. I could not find any live listing right now, but I found this brand listing and it have a Amazon merch crop tops. So for the mock-ups right now, it have a only one image. And it have a both side, front and back. So your t-shirt listing, you don't need to do any changes. It will be work as it is. Tell me in the comment if you got the access of crop tops and subscribe me to keep updated with the merch.